Hi crafters, this is Chris from needlepointers.com. Today I'm sharing with you a project I completed recently. This is a project from the American Patchwork and Quilting magazine. It's from a while ago. For our Christmas virtual meeting of our quilt guild, they delivered to everybody a package with the supplies to make this project. And it's a really cute project. It says snow flurries with a cute snowman, and it's stitched with blue flower floss. It has this flanged border and then a regular border with the white blocks in the corners. It was a fun project to get from our quilt guild and gave us something to work on over the next month until our next meeting in January. The project in American Patchwork and Quilting magazine was called Snow Buddies, and it came with patterns for 4 different snowmen, and then the instructions on how to do the binding and everything. What's great is that the PDF for the embroideries is still available for free online at the American Patchwork and Quilting site. So if you're interested in making this project, please click on the link in the iCard or the description of this video and visit our website needlepointers.com. We will have a little tutorial on how to finish this project and links to where you can get the printable PDF pattern for the embroideries for this project. If you make the different snowmen available in this project, you can make a table runner or even a quilt with this. But I made mine into the single block, and it's just got a backing fabric and finished. I hope you enjoyed seeing this project, and click on the link so you can learn more about the project and make some for yourself. While you're at our website, be sure to sign up for our free weekly newsletter, which will keep you up to date on all the projects that we are making. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching.